Hey, we're gonna review Woodford Cafe, the Chaguanas branch, in brief. As some of you may know, I am vegan. So, as a vegan, I do not eat animals or animal products. So, when you go out and you want to dine in a restaurant, it's hard to find a menu that is willing to cater for vegans. Most things have meat, milk, dairy, that's stuff that I don't eat. So we went to Woodford Cafe, we called them in advance and found out that they had a vegan menu. This video is from 2021, but more or less it's the same. It was in the height of the pandemic, so there weren't many people there. This is what my meal looked like. The only thing drawback I have with meals like this is people, when they make vegan stuff, they tend to make snack-like food. This is a burrito plate and some tortilla chips and some salsa, and I'm gonna rate it between 1 to 5. So the presentation was very good. I like how they put the plate. And this review is about the food. The size was just okay. I mean, it was a normal plate. I didn't see anything special about it. The price wasn't so good for what it was. And the options were okay. Again, mostly snack foods, junk foods. The taste was okay for me. When I go to a restaurant, I like to taste something I can't make at home. The service was pretty good. The waitress was really nice. The surroundings was very good, although there wasn't anything going around because of the pandemic. Have you been to Woodford Cafe? Let me know in the comments.